This is the topsoil on which our life depends. It is the end result of the first three links in the chain of life. Nature's raw materials, the sun's energy, the chlorophyll in the plants. Although plants and animals are supported by topsoil, they also depend upon each other. Furthermore, their well-being depends upon the organization and balance of the entire living community. That community is made up not only of the plants and animals themselves, but also their environment, soil, and water. We are now going to see how this community is organized and how each member contributes to the whole. In a marsh, we find plants like water lilies growing in fairly deep water. Through the ages, they die and add their substance to the bottom, which rises. Until shallow water plants like the pickerel weed and maiden cane grass get a foothold and crowd out the lilies. These plants in their turn add to the mire, until in some places it rises above the surface. Birds and wind bring in the seeds of other forest plants, and trees better adapted to drier ground come in to crowd the cypress out. Here a bay tree forces its way up through the cypress. It is one of the so-called climax species that form the permanent forest. From a water lily to a forest, each plant in turn having played its part in building a coordinated community. But these developments could never have taken place without the services of insects and other creatures to keep the community in a working balance. This caterpillar, for instance, eating a leaf, will soon become a butterfly to carry pollen to fertilize the blossom, so making life possible for the plant. Only so long as we work in harmony with nature's laws, may we continue to reap a bountiful harvest. Who shall have the right to disregard these laws? Who shall have the right to misuse this vital earth?